The heat is on. Most wanted man surrenders in St. James. Amid the ongoing state of emergency in St. James, one of the Area 1 Police's most wanted men has been charged with 2 counts of murder and 1 count of wounding with intent after turning himself in to the authorities over the weekend. St. James wanted man turns himself in. One of the men listed as wanted by police in St. James turned himself in to the Freeport Police in the parish on Thursday, February 1. He has been identified as 27-year-old Kirk Stevens, otherwise called Wonka or Shatam, music producer, Flankers or Gwango Crescent, both in St. James. Reports are that about 6 p.m. Stevens turned up at the Freeport police station accompanied by his lawyer. He was featured on the St. James most wanted list in relation to a shooting incident which occurred in October 2016. To date, 2 persons from the list, which was published by the JCF, have surrendered peacefully and are in roll call. St. James police step up the tempo against wanted figures. Following the surrender of a most wanted man in St. James on Saturday, the police there have listed some additional persons as being wanted for several offences which were committed in the parish and are urging them to turn themselves into the police by midday on Monday, the 5th of February. 8 more listed in St. James as wanted by the police. They are Christopher Boyd, otherwise called Plank, and Kieran Grow. These men are wanted for murders and shooting with intent which occurred along Sunset Boulevard, Montego Bay, St. James on January 16, 2018. Tajay Dixon, 21-year-old unemployed of Grange Pen, Lilliput, St. James. Fiona Williams, bartender of said address. These men are wanted for shooting with intent which occurred on Friday, February 2nd, 2018 about 7 p.m. on Grange Pen in Lilliput, St. James. It is alleged that both persons who are related had a dispute with a man. The man was called from his home and shot several times. Christopher Taylor, 42-year-old construction worker of Green Heights Meadows, St. James, who is wanted for indecent assault. Christopher Vassell, 25-year-old farmer of Tango River, St. James, wanted for sexual offences. Timoy Spence, otherwise called Shatter, of Red Square, Tucker, St. James. Leon Spence of said address. Both Timoy and Leon Spence are wanted for shooting with intent, which occurred on Wednesday, January 31, 2018 at about 2 p.m. in Red Square in the parish. Both men are alleged to have been involved in a dispute with another man when both men brandished firearms and opened gunfire hitting the complainant. We are encouraging these persons' name to peacefully surrender to the police, and you will be given your day in court, Inspector Diane Bartley urged. She is also reminding them that the police will spare no efforts in locating perpetrators and taking them to justice. The security forces are encouraging persons identified as wanted, as also relatives or friends who may know of their whereabouts, to contact the nearest police station, Crime Stop at 311, or have a pastor or a justice of the peace accompany them to the nearest police station. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.